Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. If you're an old follower, hi, how are you? Hope you're doing great. In both the scenarios, please consider subscribing and click on that bell icon so you never miss an update from me. Let's get into the video. First up, let's hydrate the under eye. I'm using Sephora under eye mask and then using Tarte concealer as an eyeshadow base. Now I'm gonna go in with my eyebrows, which are very important for doing any eyeshadow. Make sure that you're taking your time here, and then I'm gonna go ahead and use a brow freeze by Anastasia. Then I'm gonna go ahead and take my Morphe palette. I'm going to link everything down below in the description. I'm just going slow with it, taking a flat eyeshadow brush, placing it on the outer corner and inner corner of my eye, and then just taking a little bit of purple from the palette and taking it on a large fluffy brush and blending it out. Now I'm taking some concealer and putting it on my lash line so that it creates a good base for the glitter that I just applied. Going in with NARS foundation. It's a gorgeous foundation. Very dewy, very glowy, gives a gorgeous effect. Going in with Huda corrector, taking this small sponge, which is a gorgeous sponge to blend any concealer or corrector out, taking the concealer from Tarte. Now going in with bronzer from Liz Cosmetics. It's a powder bronzer, very beautiful. Taking my time on the nose. Going ahead with Too Faced blush. It's a gorgeous blush again, very skin-like, very pretty, but super pigmented. Going ahead and taking Rare Beauty highlighter, using the same sponge to blend, and using Fenty lipstick and Huda lip liner. I hope you liked the video. If yes, then don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up and comment down below. Share it with your friends and family. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.